Hey everyone! Today's video will be a Q&A with me. Question 1. What's my favorite food to cook? And a request to make beef Wellington. I like to make anything quick, so stir fries or simple dishes are my go-to for normal dinners. If you'd like to donate funds for beef Wellington, I'd be willing to make some. Question 4. How do I get my baked goods to look bakery level? This one I'm not too sure. I know when I make cakes, I do try to make it look nicer, but my decorating skills definitely need some work. Question 5. How did I get into content creation? I've admired food content creators for years and loved how they make cooking look beautiful and intentional. I never pursued it until a good friend encouraged me to start, and I'm really glad I did. An update. My fridge is fixed and some leaking pipes are too, so I should be good to continue making more food content for everyone. See you in the next video!